मजे कैसे खा
My dad is hands down the most entertaining person we know.
Pablo, I love you.
What do you say? The advices you give after 2 beds down, I swear to God, it feels like at that moment, but at that moment it hits me in my heart. And out of all respect to everyone I want to mention, I always follow it because I know it comes right from my heart. If he tells me, "Ye rasta mata hai," I won't take that rasta. If he tells me, "Ye kar," I'll do that only. But jokes aside, serious note, I'm deeply grateful for the love, values, laughter, and example you've set, not just as parents but as best friends. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart in every prayer I make. I wish for the same thing, that in every lifetime I get parents and best friends just like you.
Today isn't just celebrating 25 years of marriage. It's about celebrating the two people who have made our lives so much better. Through tough phases of life and confusing days, marks, mistakes, and growing pains. I tripped, I slipped, I lost my way. But you stood by me every day. I learned by falling, not by fear. You stayed calm, you stayed near. I didn't win each test or race, but I always had my safe place.
They say you know when you know, so let's face it. You had me at hello. Hesitation never helps. How could this be anything else? Well, all I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. One smile, one kiss, two lonely hearts is all that it takes now, baby. You're on my mind every night, every day. Good vibrations getting loud. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love.
I found this beautiful girl at St. Michael's Church, Mani. I'd gone there to pray so that I may get brand new jeans. Daddy will give me a brand new jeans. And I got this woman. She was in St. Andrews College. But हिम्मत ही नहीं हो रहा था पूछने के लिए. I went to God, Mother Mary, and God blessed me with such a beautiful woman. I can never be what I am today if I would not have the support of this beautiful woman. She may sound very cool, calm, but she's very strong. Whenever I'm down, whenever I've lost it, she's the one that I can go, and she's the one who can give me the best advice. Whatever I am because of her. Thank Thank you so much, Pam, for coming in my life.
What can I say about my loving mom? My darling, my comfort, my calm. She's been part of every phase of my life with endless understanding and love.
Mom, this one's for you. You've been my comfort on hard days, my cheerleader on unsure ones, my constant in every phase of life. Your love has always been quite selfless and endless. Dad, this one's for you. For every quiet sacrifices, for always believing in me and standing by my side. You've given me the freedom without pressure, space without distance, and still once it's past 10 o'clock, I always get a call. Where are you? When are you going to come back? Your simplest way of saying you do care. Having you as my father is one of the greatest blessings.
I want to thank the one man with whom I celebrate this beautiful day. The most important human with whom I've spent more than half of my life on earth. 25 years ago when I decided to tie the knot, it was with this cute, fun-loving curly hair, witty, romantic dancer boy with whom I hope to have a great time. But as we grew in love and responsibilities of marriage life, I've seen him transform into this mature, hard-working family man who has lifted this family to another level from scratch. Roy is a loving son, awesome brother, and a very caring son-in-law too. All in all, Roy, you are my safe place, my calm when I'm anxious, my favorite shopping partner at ATM, my mood lifter when I am low, my cheerleader who notices and appreciates all the little things I do, my best friend for life. I'm excited to grow old, rather stay young with him forever.
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night, the chemical, physical, kryptonite. Help us to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me.
I promise, Roy, to keep taking you to church every Sunday, even if you don't feel like it.
I promise to listen to all your stories, even the ones I heard in 2001. Keeps repeating, and realize, oh, it is a new one.
I vow to keep reminding you of things because without me, nothing ever would be found, fixed, or remembered.
I want to keep saying yes dear, because experience has taught me that this is the mantra for happy life. Say yes, problem solved.
I promise to continue correcting all your grammatical mistakes for the next 25 years.
I promise to keep telling you what to do while you cook. Jara chili zyada dalna, jara masala zyada dalna. Even though I know I love whatever you make. This is very deep.
Roy and Pam, I'm happy to pronounce that your vows have now been lovingly renewed. Congratulations, may your love continue to shine for years and years to come. You may now seal this movement.
kid you not, he was so sure. He was sure this is the girl with me. I want to spend the rest of my life with this beautiful girl. He couldn't see any other girls only. We had to show him, but he said,
When Roy proposed to Pam at Anvada's right there in front of friends.
correction. They both went. We were all a little nervous what she's going to say, what this idiot is going to say. Because nothing was coming out properly. Roy, you have to say this, you have to look into her eyes, you have to tell her this. And when they came back, no, they went the same way, they came back the same way. The only thing that changed was this. The hand went across hers and she was smiling.
He genuinely liked her, there was absolutely no doubt about it. And Pam, being Pam, took her time. She thought about it and decided to give this handsome young man a fair chance to get to know him and to understand him. And I'm quite sure that at that moment, she never imagined that this young man would completely sweep her away to a fairy tale. With the depth of his love, the way he cared, and the way he showed up for her day after day, year after year, with so much passion.
So with all your hearts and all the good wishes that you can bring forward for the future for these two, I'm not going to count how many years, because whatever years we have left, let them be a part of it, of our lives. And here's to the future.
But when we choose each one, we thought about having the most beautiful souls that actually touched our lives in good and bad. And each one of you that have come here are so important to us कि क्या बोलूँ यार, आपके बिना तो जिंदगी अधूरा सा ही रहता। Thank you so much for coming here. Let's party hard. Let's party and rock this place. It should shake. Okay? And now the bar is open. And my legs are shaking. And we will rock the party. What's the guys? Let's rock the party.
Mr. Worldwide to infinity. You know the roof on fire. We gon' boogie, oogie, oogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We gon' dance and take shots until we fall out like the roof on fire. Now, baby, get my booty naked, take off all your clothes and light the roof on fire. Tell them, baby, 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 I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, 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 I'm a fireball. We're taking it down. We're taking it down. We're taking it down. We're taking it down.